So that was me filming myself and my new channel introduction with the Dobot Regiate, and yeah, I really enjoyed that. That was really cool, and I think the footage could have been a bit smoother. I think maybe that's down to me moving it around a little too fast. I think if I'd have been a bit smoother with that, like this, I could have got some nicer footage, you know. But what do you want to be? Do you want to be lovely and smooth like this? I mean, maybe that's a bit too slow. You can alter the follow speed settings. I've got them set at 60, which is kind of mid-range. You can make it a bit faster or a bit slower. You can set it down to 20 or 100. But for me, I think I'm a fast-moving guy. I looked at setting it at 100. Didn't seem to make too much difference. I'd have to do like a lot more testing. And I like to spend a couple of weeks with something, but I think it's going to take a lot more time than that to actually test this out. But overall, I'm kind of very happy. I'm a very fast-moving kind of guy when it comes to this kind of stuff. But I think this leveled it out a lot more than I would have just been having handheld this. The only trouble I perceive with this is if I want to plug an external mic into the camera and have the wire kind of trailing out and clipped onto me. I mean, I could use a Bluetooth radio mic. All in all, I'm really happy with this. And I think if it's good enough when I check the footage, if it's good enough for my new channel trailer, tongue twisters, yes, I did a lot of takes. But yeah, and I recorded it on this, that, and even my Note 8. And I'm gonna, maybe when I put it together, I'll use bits of footage from all three. And maybe I'll use bits of footage from other videos that I've recorded over time as well and slap those in there at the end so people can get a little flavour of my channel. Whee! But I do really like this. One other thing that I particularly enjoy, and I showed my family this yesterday, was I really enjoyed the panoramic view. So I'm going to stop recording on this and switch over to the panoramic mode. Oops. Unfortunately, the panoramic mode isn't supported on front camera, which hopefully is changed in a software update. But you can just turn it around obviously and use the back camera. But the back camera's better obviously anyway, so it's not a problem. My studio doesn't look that pretty from that direction because my door's there with the coat hanging up on the back. I've noticed that it takes a few seconds to patch together, but I mean obviously that's going to happen because that's a software thing. And the better camera you have with the more memory on it, cameras will do a better job, a faster job. I have had it fail on me a couple of times and I can't say why it's failed. Dopey face. But that's the panoramic shot. Whoops, I said I wouldn't show that. There you go. So that's my studio. And I think that looks great. Other than my dopey face there. Yeah, it's got you in there with the camera. You probably can't see that. There you go. So that was really great. I'll put that up there. You can go to my channel page, which is youtube.com/LAWRENCEcanDRAW. If you're watching this, just click the picture of me below going like that. And yeah, you'll be able to see my channel trailer. If you're not subscribed, it'll be the first one. But yeah, it was time to replace my old channel trailer because I never see it. It never gets shown to me, obviously. But the other day I came across it and it was like, oh, my channel trailer's awful. Oh, no wonder I'm not getting any subs. So yeah, it was definitely time to change that. And because I got this now, I thought, let's do something a little different. Let's, you know, show everybody the entire studio with this up there. Hopefully you like this. Hopefully that will give you a nice idea of what this can do. And shooting this on both my Canon M6 and my Note 8, and using the Asus Zenfone 4, you know, the combination of all three angles to shoot from will give you a nice idea of what this 3-axis gimbal with brushless motors can do. I like it. There's lots of them out there, but this one was particularly nice. I like this. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I shall see you soon. Comment below.
Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and even subscribe to my channel, Lawrence Can Draw. And if you really did like what you saw here, you can see more of it on my website, lawrenceman.co.uk. I'll see you next time.